This quick 4-minute video will show how to assemble and use the MC-600A suction unit. The MC-600A is supplied with a suction catheter for the throat, disposable suction canister, power cable, suction tubing, a small suction connection tube, hose barb, air filter and the user manual. A common optional extra is the micro suction ear kit, which includes 100 disposable ear suction tubes, 4 sizes of ear grubbers, ear clear ear wax removal drops and 10 suction flow controllers. To assemble the MC-600A, push the small connection tubing onto the metal barb on the machine. Connect the air filter to the other end of the small tubing. Cut a 20 cm length of suction tubing, carefully push it onto the air filter and onto the canister lid connection that is labeled vacuum. Push the plastic barb into the canister lid connection that is labeled patient. Connect the remaining suction tubing onto the plastic barb. If you are using the micro suction ear kit, push the suction controller into the end of the suction tubing. Push the suction tube onto the suction controller. Place your fingertip over the hole on the suction controller to vary the strength of the suction flowing through the tube. Connect the mains power cable and the green mains power active indicator will illuminate. Press the suction start/stop switch and the green suction on indicator light will illuminate when the vacuum pump is running. The amount of suction can be adjusted by turning the vacuum regulator dial clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is recommended that you leave the dial fully clockwise to provide maximum suction. If you suspect that you are unable to achieve maximum suction from the unit, remove the short tubing that is connected to the metal barb on the unit, switch the unit on, and turn the vacuum regulator dial fully clockwise to full power, then place your finger on the metal barb. The suction gauge should move from 0 to above 600. If you are still not able to obtain adequate suction, you may have an air leak. Confirm all the connections are secure and airtight and the tubing is not kinked. To maintain easy cleaning of the canister, fill it with 200 milliliters of water before commencing any procedure. Do not overfill the canister. We recommend to empty the canister when half full. If liquid enters the suction unit, it will cause catastrophic internal damage to the electronic components. To clean your device, use a non-alcohol-based detergent. Wipe down the surface of the suction unit and the canister. This is typically done at the end of the day. Please do not use alcohol-based detergent. Aspirate a non-alcohol-based detergent through the tubing at the end of the day. Fill a container with non-alcohol-based detergent. Submerge the tube into the detergent and turn the machine on. Do not fill beyond the flow stop valve or half full. A sample disposable canister is provided with the suction unit. To install a disposable canister, remove the reusable canister lid and place the disposable canister in the container. Please make sure that the lid is on correctly and forms a good seal. Push the plastic barb onto the canister lid that is labeled vacuum. Then push the other tubing onto the barb labeled patient. If the tubing and filter have become discolored, they must be replaced.